I love chess. I also love leatherworks. Both have the advantage to be practiced at all ages and allow you to escape the world for a moment. I love chess, but I'm not very good. I don't despair and improve my game slowly. I'm a better leatherworker than chess player. Why not combine the two? You guessed it. That's what this little film is about. I've got this very cheap chessboard at home, and I thought I could certainly improve it a bit. I thought of several ways to make this project a reality. First, I thought I'll dye each square using a single piece of leather to make the checkerboard. When I tried it out, I realized that it would be a mess. The dye would bleed on the light squares. So I've decided to go with individual squares that I'll assemble one by one. And for the edges of the box, I will put a strip that will be stitched with the top, an opportunity to practice box stitching. The patterns are quite simple. They are all strips. Just don't make any mistakes in the calculations so that everything fits together perfectly. I can remove this lock, which is broken anyway, and will replace it later with a new one. I need to prepare the surface by sanding it a little bit so that the leather can stick to the box. Moving on to cutting. I use a 2.2 mm thick fetch tan leather which I stain with an alcohol-based dye. I crease the edges and stain them. Trace a line to know where to punch the holes for the stitching. And now, a step to be undertaken with care. With a diamond-shaped hole, pierce in the middle of the edge the strip which will be placed on the side of the box. Apply contact adhesive to the strips and to the box. And when it's dry, I start by positioning the side strip. I then glue the 3 top strips edge to edge with the side strip. I'm now ready to start box stitching. I have made another video on this technique. I put the link in the description. I had cut strips, so I'm now going to slice them into squares using my template. Before gluing, I position them to check that everything fits together properly. And I use wood glue, which, unlike contact adhesive, allows me to reposition them if necessary. I'm now going to install the clasp I bought to replace the old one. and maybe now you'd like to see some pictures of the finished chess set. I hope this video was entertaining and gave you some ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe by clicking on the little bell to be informed of the next video. Thanks.